Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to lock a PDF document on MacBook. And to do this, basically you choose a PDF you want to lock. Then you're going to open up the file. Now there's few ways how you can lock your document. You can either choose File right here, then click Export, and then you want to, for example, write down that it's locked. And now you can click on Permissions, and here it is. Require a password to open the document, and basically you enter the password, and after that you can also allow some permissions, but basically that's that. Again, you can enter the owner password. And click Apply. Now you're going to save it. And you're going to exit this document. And now, as you can see it here, it's now locked. There's another way how you can lock your PDF document way faster. So you're going to, again, open up your file. And so you're going to click on your document name. And now, as you can see, you can change the name and you can click the option locked. So you're going to do this. And now your PDF is now locked. So as you can see right there. But it cannot be edited like this if it's locked. So there are two ways. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.